Hello, my name is Regan Jones, Territory Sales Rep with Altorfer Cat, based right here in Peoria, Illinois. Today we're broadcasting from Caterpillar's Edwards Demonstration Center, talking about the next-gen mini excavator lineup. This machine is a Cat 308. Let's hop inside the cab and go through some of the features and monitor. Today we're sitting inside a next-gen Cat 308. Let's start with the monitor and work through those features. Along the bottom of the monitor are the soft keys. Above the soft keys are the shortcut buttons that you can preset to your liking. Let's start with the very first one right here, which is going to be operator controls. These machines allow for operators to select their pattern preference, backhoe control versus excavator control. It's easily selectable. We recommend making this option a shortcut. You back out of that and you can go to cruise control. This machine has a cruise control feature. By pressing that button and having the machine in stick steer mode, as you are tracking forward, you can click the trigger button on the back side of the left joystick and enable cruise control. The next soft key is the hydraulic quick coupler or pin grabber. If your machine is equipped with a hydraulic quick coupler, we recommend making this button a shortcut as well. The next preset button is the stick steer mode. This is an exclusive feature which allows the operator to switch from the conventional excavator foot pedals to a left-hand joystick, much like a skid steer loader or compact track loader. You can select stick steer mode and then set the right joystick function as the excavator or the blade. By selecting the blade, you can now operate the mini excavator just like a skid steer with left-hand joystick as your drive and right-hand joystick as your blade or bucket. There's another shortcut for this feature on your left joystick. The bottom left button is yellow in color. Press the button and the screen prompts you to enable this mode. Select yes, and now you're live. The next option on this monitor is your radio and your HVAC controls. You use this toggle switch on the right hand side of the cab behind the blade to toggle between your fan, your HVAC controls, or your radio presets. Right now you can see that the HVAC controls are highlighted. You would press this toggle switch down. Now you can see the fan is highlighted by the yellow square. Turn this toggle switch to the right will increase the fan. Turn it to the left will decrease the fan. Press the toggle switch up. Now you have temperature control. The next feature on this monitor is the radio controls. The radio controls are controlled by the same toggle switch that controls the HVAC controls. By moving the toggle switch to the left or to the right, it allows the operator to select the option. Right now, as you can tell on the monitor, the radio is selected by the yellow outline. You would press down on the toggle switch. That's going to load your radio stations and your preset stations. By turning the knob to the right, this increases your volume. By turning it to the left, it decreases the volume. You also have preset radio stations along the bottom with your soft keys. To exit this, press the home button and puts you back at your main screen. The far right button is the settings button or the menu for the monitor. By pressing this button, you're able to scroll through the options and select the information just as I had shown you. As all Cat excavators, the hydraulic safety lock requires this to be down to engage machine. On the left joystick, we have several buttons here. First, continuous flow button, which is your top button. If you have a work tool that requires continuous flow, you would need to press this button to activate continuous flow. The next button is a stick steer mode, as we talked about previously. By pressing this yellow button for stick steer mode, it comes up on the screen and tells us that we are enabled now in stick steer. When I press the yellow button, which is the stick steer mode, you'll see this green symbol illuminate on your monitor. This tells the operator that the machine is in stick steer mode. Looking at the right joystick, there's only several options: the horn and the rabbit for 2-speed. This is a shortcut function for the rabbit that can also be achieved over here on the blade lever by pressing the rabbit on that as well. In closing, we're really excited about the new lineup of Cat's next-gen mini excavators, and we look forward to showing you the benefits the next time you stop at one of our Altorfer stores.